Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making 2 cards using the Wildflower Birthday Specialty Designer Series paper. This paper is awesome. It has 2 sheets of die cuts, and then there's also 2 sheets that you can cut up like these here. Some of the pieces we're going to be using. You can cut them up and use them as elements on your card, or you can flip them over and use the back as regular designer series paper. But we're also going to be using the Simply Said stamp set, okay? Before we get started on our projects, let's go over some buzzworthy business of the day. Today is the last day for you to subscribe to get the Hello Spring Paper Pumpkin Kit. That's going to make 9 cards. Petunia Pop will be the stamping spot. We have our Spring is in the Air add-on dies for $12. They coordinate with January, February, and March Paper Pumpkin Kits. And this kit is going to coordinate with the Grow with Love bundle, okay? There's a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the Paper Pumpkin. Next, we have our host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up. And I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies. Next, we have our Celebration Join Special. Celebration is a time when you spend a certain amount of dollars, you get to earn certain products for free out of the celebration brochure, okay? So with a qualifying order, you can get some freebies. Also, we have the Join Special. So you purchase a starter kit for $99 plus tax. You get to choose $125 worth of product. During celebration, we have 2 extra options for you to add on to that, okay? Not in a, either or, but to add on. You can either get this exclusive stamp set with 2 sets of Stampin' Right markers, any color family of your choice. And if you're not interested in that option, you can add $30 onto your $125 for free products, okay? And that's it. And it's all going to ship to you for free. So if you're interested in signing up to be a Stampin' Up demonstrator, which does not mean you have to demonstrate or do videos or sell anything, you can sign up to get the discount or just to get these freebies right here. It's up to you. Just let me know, okay? You can email me at stampwithshawna@gmail.com. Next, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used, all retired Stampin' Up products. I'm asking just $30 for each box. Shipping is included. However, during celebration, I am having a promotion where if you spend $100 on product using my host code, I will send you one of these boxes for free. And if your order is $150 or more, you don't have to use the host code and you'll still get this for free, okay? And that is all of our buzzworthy business for today. So let's get started on our projects. We have 2 cards, like I said, to make, and we're going to start by stamping the only 2 things we have to stamp, which is our sentiment. Now, these 2 sentiment labels are designer series paper. It's part of the cut aparts that I was talking about. So this one measures 1 by 3.5, and this one is 1 by 2 7/8. Okay, so we're going to stamp on both of those. So for this one, we're going to stamp Let's Party. No, not Let's Party, Let's Celebrate. And we're going to be using Blueberry Bushel as our ink color. So we want to get this right here in the center. Hopefully it's straight. Okay, and then on the this one, we're going to stamp Happy Birthday. Just like that. All right. So that's all the stamping we needed to do. So now we can just put our cards together, okay? So I did go ahead and do a couple of things ahead of time on the first card. So this is our card base, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. Burnished that score line down. This is thick basic white, and I went ahead and did the inside already. The soft seafoam is 5 by 3 3/4. The basic white is 3.5 by 4 3/4. The designer series paper is 3.5 by 3/4. Okay, all the measurements will be same for both the cards. This soft seafoam is 5 3/8 by 4 1/8, and our designer series paper is 4 by 5 1/4. And we're going to adhere these 2 together using some liquid glue. Ooh. Just gonna layer that together. Try to get it centered, Shauna. Okay, and so we have that. Now let's go on to our second card pieces, and we have these two pieces to put together. This is Blueberry Bushel, and again, oh, look at this paper. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. And we're not using that side. This is a specialty paper because it has the gold foiling on one side, and I'm not even using it. But look at this pink, pretty and pink gingham. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so that's going to be for our second card. Let's go ahead and put the inside together for this card. Sorry for the noises from the outside world. We're just going to stick this onto our cardstock here. Just like that. Take a pair of scissors. Chop that off. Get some Stampin' Seal. We're going to add this to our Blueberry Bushel. Again, this is 5 by 3 3/4. Then we're going to add this to the inside of our thick basic white card base. If I can get it rolling again. There we go. I'm going to just add this to our card base. And I am putting the Designer Series paper at the top on these. I usually put it at the bottom, but I just want it on the top this time. Okay, so now we have gotten that far for both of them. You can put this glue away for a moment. Get some tearing tape because we are going to be adding some gold open weave trim. Oh, no, we're not. Not yet. Let me hold on. I'm going to get 4 pieces of this tearing tape, and I'm going to just have it ready because I have one more step. We need to get some Stampin' Dimensionals. No, just adhesive. Oh, this is my glue holder I got from, what is it called? The Country Hive. We're going to put some glue on the back of this. We're going to add this to our paper here, to our layers. And on for this one, we have a beautiful bouquet of flowers. And this one, of course, as you've seen, is balloons. They're so pretty. These are from the die cut sheets that was in the Designer Series paper. So they're all on a sheet, but they're already die cut out. You just have to pop them out. And we're gonna add this one on here like that. Okay, now we're gonna get the gold open weave trim. And I have 2 pieces here, and we're gonna wrap this around our little card in front. And we're just gonna secure it down with some tearing tape. Just like that. We're gonna do that on both of these. Just gonna secure it down. Okay, so now we can add these to our card bases. I'm gonna burnish this down using my bone folder so I can pull those backings off a little easier, because this is gonna help our card stick along with the liquid glue. Okay, we're gonna put this right on here, and we have a small border, that white showing. Okay, we're gonna get this one on its base. some liquid glue. I haven't designed many cards using this suite of products, but it is really nice. I think I was overwhelmed because everything was so pretty. I couldn't decide what to use. So I just said, Tashana, make a decision. So this week, my 3 videos for this week are going to be using this suite of products, because I finally made a decision. Okay, so now we're going to get some Stampin' Dimensionals. And I'm going to pop up our sentiments here. So let's put some dimensionals on the back of these. And we're going to get these added onto our cards. And this one is going to go here. This one is going over our balloons. So we're going to put Let's Party. We're just going to put that right there like that. So the cards are basically the same. They just use different elements of the designer series paper. We're going to cover up that little bow, but that's okay. Just like that. And then our card is almost complete. We're just going to add some party dots. This is also a part of this suite of products, the Wildflower birthday suite. So we're going to add some party dots. So these come in Pretty in Pink, Peach Pie, and Pool Party. And we're going to use the Pretty in Pink. I think. Yeah, let's use the Pretty in Pink. So I think I want 2 up here. Let's put, if I can get it to stay on, come on. 1 up here. I think that's good, because we don't need too much. The cards are very simple. I'm just going to add some around on this one here. Ooh. Add 'em. I think that's good, just like that. What do you guys think? Aren't they cute? Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.